Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about asking and giving suggestion. Do you know what is asking and giving suggestion? So let's jump to the discussion. Asking and giving suggestion or advice is phrases in English that are used to express how to ask and give advice to others. For example, you are confused about choosing a black or white dress. You will definitely ask your friends for advice, right? There are some expressions that we use to ask for advice. Here are some common expressions you can see. Let's start. What should? What should? What should I do to overcome this conflict? What would you do if? What would you do if you were me? Can you give me some advice about? Can you give me some advice about? Or, what is your recommendation to? What is your recommendation to? What is your recommendation to be best student? Do you think I should? Do you think I should go? Do you think I should stay? Do you have any suggestion? Do you have any suggestion for this complicated problem? So this is the phrase when we want to ask for advice. We have discussed asking for advice. Well, how to respond? We will respond with giving suggestion or advice. Let's start. I advise you to. I advise you to. I advise you to. I advise you to finish the homework first before going to your friend's house. I recommend you to. I recommend you to join the seminar to enlarge your knowledge. I suggest you to. I suggest you to are capable enough to join the assessment. You should. You should do. You should do best things for your better future. You need to. You need to refresh your mind after joining the hard test. So, this is giving advice and suggestion, the expressions when we want to give advice. Let's jump to the next. This is accepting and refusing suggestion or advice. This one, accepting suggestion or advice, you can use that's good idea or I'll try it, thank you. That's the best one, I'll try that. Or when you're refusing suggestion or advice, I'm not sure. Or I think it can't solve my problem. I'm afraid I cannot do that. Let's jump to the next. To get better understanding, so we will jump to the conversation. From this conversation, Jimin wanted to increase his knowledge and skill in English. So he asked Rose for advice. And Rose gave advice to Jimin to take an English course. But Jimin is not sure because it was far from his house. So Rose gave him other suggestion that he should taking an online course. So Jimin agreed about that. Let's jump after we will discuss the material and for example conversation. Let's jump to the practice. There is condition that your friend is confused whether she should join a storytelling competition or not. Give your best advice for her on comment box box below. I think this is the end from my presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the material and enjoy the video. And see you in the next video.